Have you ever received an email that looks something like this, where you have a lot of questions that are being asked of you, like I do here? And have you ever sent an email where someone has asked a lot of questions of you, and maybe you've responded by saying something like, "See my comments below in red," and then you drop down into the body of the email and you type your response and you change the color of the text to red. Well, I wanted to let you know that there is a much better way to handle this, and it's a setting that you can change in Microsoft Outlook called Preface Comments With. So it works something like this. When I have an email that I want to reply to, I just simply say, "See below." And then I drop down into the body of the text, and where it's asking me for my Twitter handle right here, as soon as I press my space bar, it will automatically display my name, Laura Leist - Eliminate Chaos, for the company name. I'm going to go ahead and press the space bar, and you can see that that's automatically appeared. And then I can go ahead and start typing my Twitter handle. Now, that automatically lets the reader of this email very quickly see exactly where you have inserted your comments into the email without having to look at an email that has every shade of the rainbow in it. Let me show you how easy this is to change the setting. You're going to come up to File and then select Options. And from the Outlook Options dialog box, select Mail, and then scroll down about halfway to where it says Preface Comments With. Now you'll see that I have already filled this in. Likely this will be blank for you, so you'll go ahead and you'll check the box, and then you'll type your name or your business name or your initials or a combination of something, and then as soon as you've done that, you'll go ahead and say OK. And then the setting is set, and you never have to change it again unless you want to change how your name looks. Again, all I do is drop down into the body of the email that I'm responding to. I click right where I want to enter my information. I could even do it in the middle of a sentence. So right here where it's saying, "Please include your mailing address," I could click in the middle of the sentence, hit my space bar, and start typing in my address. So that's just as easy as it works. I hope that you found this tip on how to preface comments with useful. Thank you for watching.